Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fan brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Lusofie 4 Pieces Fluffy Facial Fan Brushes. The Lusofie Fluffy Fan Brushes feature a unique fan shape and short handle that gives you better control for precise makeup application. This design helps you easily apply foundation, blush, and highlighter, creating a natural and dimensional look. Made with soft nylon bristles and a sturdy wooden handle, these brushes feel gentle on your skin while lasting a long time. The soft bristles are perfect for sensitive skin, reducing irritation and making the application comfortable. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these brushes are easy to use and suitable for all skin types, helping you achieve your desired makeup look with confidence. At number 4, we have the Xthrotsenk 2 Pickles Fluffy Facial Fan Brushes. The Xthrotsenk Fluffy Fan Brushes are designed with soft nylon bristles and sturdy wooden handles, giving you a durable tool that lasts through many uses. Their unique fan shape covers more skin surface, helping you apply makeup more evenly and lightly for a natural finish. Cleaning is simple. Just rinse with warm water and let the bristles dry, making maintenance hassle-free. These brushes are versatile, perfect for spreading liquid foundation, sunscreen, blush, or highlighter, whether you're a professional esthetician or just enjoying your daily beauty routine at home. At number 3, we have the Patelai 14-Piece Fan Brush Set. The Patelai fan brushes offer a versatile set of 14 brushes, making it easy for you to keep track of your tools and share them as needed. Crafted from soft synthetic hairs and sturdy plastic handles, these brushes are gentle on your skin and designed for long-term use. They simplify the application of various cosmetics, keeping your hands clean while providing a comfortable grip. With these brushes, you can achieve an even application of facial mud, serums, and lotions effortlessly. At number 2, we have the Maitys 9-Piece Facial Fan Mask Brush Set. The Maitys facial fan brushes offer a set of 9 soft applicators designed to help you evenly spread powders and creams on your face. Their fan shape makes it easy to apply products smoothly and precisely. The brushes feature durable acrylic handles, about 7.8 inches long, providing a comfortable grip for better control while you work on your makeup. Made with gentle, soft fibers, these brushes are suitable for sensitive skin and feel comfortable during use. Plus, they are easy to clean with warm water, ensuring your brushes stay hygienic and ready for repeated use. Lightweight and portable, they come with brush covers to keep them clean when stored or on the go. And finally, at number 1, we have the Elesunory 60-Piece Soft Fan Brush Set. The Elesunory Fan Brush Set offers 60 soft brushes designed with gentle nylon fiber heads that feel comfortable on all skin types, making it ideal for applying facial masks or makeup smoothly. Each brush has a sturdy plastic and acrylic handle that provides a secure grip so you can use them without slipping or discomfort. Their compact size makes them perfect for travel, easily fitting into your makeup bag. The fan-shaped design allows for even and thin application of masks or cosmetics, helping you achieve a flawless look while also being easy to clean after use. These brushes work well for various skincare and beauty needs at home or in a salon. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!